Gemini is Google's AI and it is deeply integrated into every Google product you already use. Gmail, Docs, Drive, Sheets, Maps, Android, Gemini is in all of them. In this video I cover everything, every model, complete setup, deep research feature, workspace integration, Gemini Live, full pricing, and my honest comparison with ChatGPT and Claude. Gemini is Google's family of AI models. Gemini 3.1 Pro is the current flagship, used for complex reasoning and deep research. Gemini 3.1 Flash is the faster, cheaper model for everyday tasks. Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite is the most efficient and affordable. You access Gemini through gemini.google.com, through the Gemini app on iOS and Android, or built into Google Workspace products like Gmail and Docs. A Google account is all you need. Gemini Chat for any question or task. Deep research for extended web research that produces a full written report. Gmail integration for drafting and summarizing. Google Docs integration for writing and editing. Sheets integration for data analysis and formulas. Drive search for finding files by asking questions. Gemini Live for real-time voice conversations with screen sharing. And Imagen 4 for AI image generation built directly into Gemini. Deep research is Gemini's most powerful feature and it is completely free. You give Gemini a research topic and it searches the web, reads multiple sources, synthesizes the information, and produces a structured written report with citations. Unlike basic web search, which gives you links to read yourself, deep research reads everything and writes the report for you. Tasks that would take a human researcher hours take Gemini minutes. Available on both free and paid plans. If you already use Gmail, Docs, Drive, or Sheets, Gemini's real advantage is integration. In Gmail, Gemini reads your email thread and drafts a contextually appropriate reply. In Docs, it writes content directly into your document based on your instructions. In Sheets, it analyzes your data and writes complex formulas in plain English. In Drive, you can ask where is that contract from December and Gemini searches all your files and finds it. This level of integration is unique to Gemini. ChatGPT and Claude require manual copy-pasting. Free plan gives Gemini Flash, 5 deep research reports per day, and full Gmail and Docs integration, remarkably good for free. Google One AI Premium is $19.99 per month and adds Gemini 3.1 Pro, unlimited deep research, and 2 terabytes of Google storage. Gemini for Workspace is $30 per user per month with full AI integration across all Google apps and admin controls. API pricing: Flash is 30 cents per million input tokens, Pro is $1.25 per million. The honest comparison. Google integration: Gemini wins by a wide margin. Writing quality: Claude wins. Coding: ChatGPT with GPT-5 wins. Real-time search: Gemini wins with deepest Google search integration. Image generation: ChatGPT with DALL-E 3 wins over Imagen 4. Free tier value: Gemini wins with the most features available for free. Context window: tie between Gemini and Claude at 1 million tokens. Ecosystem: ChatGPT wins. Start free at gemini.google.com. No payment needed, just a Google account. iOS and Android apps are available in their stores. Google One AI Premium at one.google.com, Workspace plans at workspace.google.com, API at ai.google.dev. All links are in the description. Subscribe for more AI guides every week.